Hey, what's going on, everybody? Corey Dowes with Aris Realty here. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the market, what I'm seeing happening, some trends I'm following, and a couple data points I've been looking at that are kind of interesting for both buyers and sellers right now. I've been getting asked the same question a lot, which is kind of why I wanted to get out here and kind of put it all out for everybody to see all at once. But what I'm being consistently asked by both buyers and sellers is, have home values finally hit the bottom? Have they finally got to the point where they can't go down any further? What are we looking at for the future, and when's this all going to turn around? Now, what I can tell you is that just by looking at the data, the information available, we have all of the month-over-month depreciation numbers through October of last year. They haven't come out with November or December yet. And what it looks like is, although we're seeing consistent depreciation, we're seeing it in small numbers. So while you may continue to see a little bit of depreciation in value as we enter 2023, January, February, and whatnot, you shouldn't see the massive depreciation numbers that we were seeing over the summer and heading into the fall. So the biggest indicator to me of the worst being behind us is that our max depreciation was in August of 2022. And that was almost a full percent in national average depreciation for that 1 month. So if that's the case, and we've now seen that big number in August, and then smaller numbers as we've gone closer to 2023, it indicates that buyers and sellers should start to feel more comfortable with where prices are in the market. Now, buyers have begun to get a little bit of purchasing power back as mortgage rates and interest rates have finally come back down to reality. I mean, they're up at 7 and 8%. Now it looks like we're sitting closer to the 5 and 6 range. Go talk to your lender about that. I don't want to get into too much trouble by talking about rates here. But as they tend to normalize, the prices are going to react accordingly. So if you are a buyer in the market and you're a little bit scared off by that 7 or 8% interest rate that your lender quoted you, go talk to them again, because you might be back into a 4, 5, 6, and now you have more money in your budget. Your monthly payment should be more tenable. Your pre-approval price should go up, and you should have some options out in the market that maybe you didn't have before. Flip side, look at that from a seller's perspective. Now, anybody thinking about selling their home out there, you are introducing more buyers into your price range for your home. You should have more competition. You should have more organic competition, which is the most important. And then you should have an ability to market your home properly and effectively to a larger pool of people, meaning that you should be able to get closer, if not at your asking price, as long as you've spoken with a realtor, they've pulled the proper comps, and you price your property appropriately. Now, if I'm a buyer and a seller, I'm looking forward to the next few months in real estate. I'm saying I'm going to get a deal, and I'm not going to have to panic as I would have a couple months ago about, hey, I'm going to buy this house right now, and 2 weeks later I'm upside down because the house tanked. I don't think we're going to see this massive depreciation based on the data I referenced just before now. So if you have any questions further than this, feel free to give me a call, 978-877-2817, or email me at Corey@arisrealty.com. Hope to hear from you soon, and best of luck in your house hunt.